What are those? Those are all the books I've read this year. Just kidding. Those are all the books I haven't returned to the library. I made top ramen today, so I'm not going to post this recipe. We're all in quarantine. Top ramen isn't that bad. Do you guys want a top ramen recipe? I mean, I could do that. It makes you pretty bloated. I kind of feel like a bowl of ramen right now. It's very salty, and I add soy sauce. If you add soy sauce to your top ramen, it tastes better. I don't think it's healthy. I don't think you should add salt or soy sauce to your top ramen, but I do. I'm just going to give you a list of all my favorite books, so hope you watch the video. I literally have my favorite cookbook on the bottom of this pile. Just do this with... Don't fall. Don't fall. Just disregard that. Book number 1 is The New Frontier by Pioneer Woman. Okay, this book is so fire because, first off, it's like a coloring book. Every other recipe just is full of pictures. It's just dummy proof. Like, obviously, like, if you don't even know how to cook something, she has, like, step-by-step images. It's almost virtually impossible to, like, mess up. Just really fun. I can't wait to make more of her recipes. Drummond is, like, phenomenal. Number 2 is Drink Like a Man by Esquire. God, it's such a fun read. It kind of goes into the cocktail guide of just like all those bougie beverages that you want to order at the restaurant, but you can't because they're like $22 and you realize you don't make that much money. Next, okay, for this note-by-note cooking for all my food nerds out there, it is the future of food. Paving the way for all us foodies and anybody who's really interested in learning the science behind cooking. Number 4, Cooks Illustrated, The Science of Good Cooking. Not say enough good things about this book. I grew up watching this show. They have really cool recipes. I feel like I get smart every time I read something from them, just because like it gives you so much information. Cooking, it's a really good read, and yeah, if you want to get better at cooking, you should probably get this because you learn to master simple recipes. It's a good read. My number 5, Whole30. So, here's the deal. I thought it was not a diet. You know, it's a good book. It's a lot of healthy recipes. And I learned a lot, okay? Kind of a book that I have a love-hate relationship with. Yeah, so just having like flashbacks of not eating chips for a month, so it was kind of intense and really restrictive. Maybe I'll use some recipes again once, you know, it gets closer to summertime, but yeah, check it out if you feel like doing it. Okay, number 6 is Star Chef Recipes. It's by all your favorite TV personalities. It is by Food Network, I think. I hope. Oh, there's a letter. I have no idea what that's for. We'll find out later. I never responded. And pictures. This is anything else in here? We should probably check. No. This comes to works. You can use this as story or mail that you won't touch. Number 7 is going to Arizona Cookbook. Because I'm from Arizona and you should read stuff from Arizona because Arizona is great, except in the summer when it feels like you're living in hell because it's so hot. It's a really good book with really good recipes, and you don't have to live through the summer to read this book. 8 is going to be another Arizona cookbook. It can go under 7. No, this is 7. This is like a combo deal. But yeah, they're both like little binder books. Number 8. This one, Rittenhouse Cookbook. It was actually a gift, another one. I get a lot of gifts, okay? Yeah, I've just made one recipe from here, and let me see if I can find it. I'm gonna find you. It's like finding a boyfriend. It's gonna take a while. There it is. Okay. grapefruit and black bean salad. I made this. It was good. Kind of 80s-esque. Maybe this is a little outdated, but I feel like a lot of the recipes are cool. I saved the best for last. Number 9, medium raw. Anthony Bourdain. R.I.P. A.B. No Reservations is a great read, but this is actually my favorite book by him. If really like hits home, anybody who's worked in the restaurant industry. If you haven't worked in the restaurant industry, it gives you a perspective of it, and I absolutely love it. I recommend this to anybody. And number 10 is Setting the Table by Danny Meyer. This is a really good book of the hospitality industry. This guy is a boss, literally, and a game changer in the hospitality industry in New York City. I don't totally agree with it because he doesn't believe in tipping, and I would never work at one of his restaurants. Having read his book, it gave me a little bit more of perspective and kind of how he's transforming the hospitality industry. I like his approach. I don't know if I'd work with his approach, but it goes into like his childhood and then how he's like running this. I don't want to give it away, but it's a good book and you should definitely check it out. Hope you enjoyed the video, get a chance to check out some of those books, and are not sitting in a dark room quarantined with a video camera like myself. But if you are, that's okay, because this isn't going to be forever. I hope not, right? Whatever. Happy cooking, more recipes on the way, and yeah, so